Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 4th of March, 2024. Benchmark indices continued the uptrend, posting marginal gains, albeit ending off the day's highs, with the Nifty 50 surpassing its previous record to scale a new all-time peak. Positive cues from global markets, and optimism arising from India's better-than-expected GDP growth in Q3 last week also aided the sentiment. The Sensex was up 49.90 points, or 0.09% at 73,872.29, and the Nifty was up 27.20 points, or 0.12% at 22,405.60. On the stock-specific front, NTPC, HDFC Life and Power Grid were the top gainers, while JSW Steel, ICA Motors and M&M were the worst hit. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited surged over 14% to hit an over 8-year high of 269.35 rupees on the National Stock Exchange amid heavy volumes on March 4 morning. A total of 15 crore shares had changed hands on BSE and NSE combined, way higher than the one-month average of 4 crore shares. The stock gained after the board of another state-run peer NTPC approved an investment worth 17,195.3 rupees crore for the third phase of the Singrauli Super Thermal Power Project, for which BHEL was the only bidder for the construction. MOIL shares surged up to 7% in trade on March 4 after the state-owned manganese ore mining company said its February production jumped 15% YOY. MOIL achieved best-ever February production of 1.51 lakh tons manganese ore, higher by 15% year-on-year, while sales at 1.56 lakh tons increased by 18% over the same month during the previous year. During the financial year, up to February 2024, MOIL achieved sales of 13.91 lakh tons, scaling a growth of 32% on an annual basis. Shares of ADANI Ports hit a fresh lifetime high in early trade on March 4 after company recorded a 33% on-year jump in cargo volumes in February. According to a filing with the exchanges, APSES handled 35.4 MMT of total cargo in February, which is around 33% higher than volumes handled a year back. While most ports observed a year-on-year jump in volumes, the DAM report recorded its highest-ever monthly cargo of 4.22 MMT. Shares of NTPC jumped nearly 4% on Monday, to hit their 52-week high of 354 rupees on the NSE after the company informed exchanges about the approval of investments worth 17,195.31 rupees crore for Stage II. 2 by 800 megawatts, Singrauli Super Thermal Power Project by its board. The news triggered strong buying action in the counter with over 58.26 lakh shares changing hands on the NSE around 9:35 a.m. The total traded value of the stock stood at 204.76 rupees crore. NTPC was also the top Nifty gainer around this time. Anlan Technology Solutions Limited in daily time frame is trading around 358.80 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 79.2 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 298.41, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 79.60. SIL Investments Limited in daily time frame is trading around 546.95 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 70.167 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 475.84, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 73.86. Aspinwall and Company Limited in daily time frame is trading around 297.80 points with a change of 18.72% and is trading with a net volume of around 199.8 for 5,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 267.43, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 61.45. For the stock recommendation we have, Steel Authority of India Limited looks good and can be bought at 142 Rs. keeping a stop loss of 137 rupees and a target of 150 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.